Are you preparing for your YCB certification exams but feeling completely lost about it? You're referring to too many PDFs, unstructured guidance, and you're not aware about the pattern of the questions in the theory or the viva. Or if you're working full time or you're studying and does not want to quit your job or studies for becoming a certified yoga teacher, then this video is for you. Namaskar, I am Rashmi and welcome back to your channel yogaurora. In today's video, I am going to share with you the structured way to practice and appear for your yoga certification exams. We will talk about real mock-up exams, real preparation from the theory and the practical perspective, and also real correction. So before we dive into the video, please subscribe and support the channel, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp or you can explore the courses on our website. In today's video, my focus will be on the first level of certification, which is Yoga Protocol Instructor. I have separately shared detailed videos wherein I have discussed about the syllabus of the Yoga Protocol Instructor, how do you prepare for this exam, what kind of questions does come in theory and in practical, everything in detail already. But in today's video, I am going to summarize all of it and help you start this journey. So the first and very important thing that you need to remember is referring to the syllabus before you start your preparation, because you need to understand that what do you have to prepare for. Once you have the clear idea of the syllabus, then you can start your yoga journey. Please refer to the video wherein I have discussed in detail about the syllabus topic by topic. You can also download the syllabus from the YCB official website, or you can download it from the description below. All the details you will find in the description. In the beginning of the video, I mentioned that if you are feeling completely lost about your preparation, by this I meant that you're not following a structure. So how the structure will come? First, like I said, that you understand your syllabus. If you open the syllabus, you will see that in the theory section, we have different units. Under each unit, we have multiple topics. Like the first unit talks about the introduction of the yoga and basic schools of yoga, and introduction to the major techniques like pranayama, meditation, and everything. This gives you an overview of everything. In the second unit, we are now going to discuss about these topics in detail. In third unit, there are multiple other topics referring to Ayurveda, referring to the yoga therapy, like that. So we have different topics in each unit. And in the next section, we have the practical part, wherein they have mentioned very beautifully each and everything in detail, that what practices you have to demonstrate during the exam, and for what practices only the knowledge is required, which asanas you have to prepare for your yoga certification exam. So all of this is very much in detail mentioned in the syllabus. That gives you the first structure for you to start your preparation. And similarly, that's how I have created this course for you, wherein you can refer to each of the topic which is mentioned in each unit, and you will find one PDF document which is specifically for that topic and a detailed video explaining about that topic. And in the similar pattern, you will find all the details for your practical section also, wherein we will discuss first the theory part of that practical syllabus topic, that what do you mean by asanas. In the asanas, what is the contradictions, what are the benefits, what is the technique. So this all you will find in the PDF document, and in the video you will see that how we are actually approaching the asana, what is the steps to reach into the asana, and everything in detail discussed, which is also there in the PDF document. So all of this helps you to start your yoga journey in a structured way, because you have to refer only at one place instead of referring to multiple books, or instead of referring to multiple videos which are scattered all over the internet. So you have everything at one place. You just have to start your preparation. I myself was working in IT when I started my yoga journey, so I completely understand that how does it feel to manage everything at once. Because at work you have to manage your fixed working hours, which can extend beyond our imagination sometimes. And if you are a student, you have to focus on your studies, you have to focus on your school exams or college exams, whatever you are studying. So it's difficult to accommodate your passion into this. So that's why I have created this course completely flexible. That means all of the recorded videos, all of the PDF content will be available to you as soon as you start the course, and you can go through all these videos at your own pace. This course is not like any other regular online course, which you buy but tend to forget because life happens. Yes, This course will be available to you for 24 months, and over this period, if you have any doubts, if you need revision on any topic, you're not clear, you need any guidance, you will have access to our live classes which will be happening on the week. This is going to help you stay on this path, stay motivated, clarify your doubts, because motivation is something which we all get deprived of when we start an online course. So that's why these weekend live classes are going to help you to stay motivated on your yoga journey. And very important point which I want to share with you about this course, that this course will give you the real-time experience. Real-time experience of the examination and real-time experience of being a yoga teacher. Let me break it down for you. What do I mean when I'm saying real-time experience of the examination? This course will have multiple choice questions, mock exams. How your theory exam will be, like that you will have the MCQ questions from each unit. After each unit, you will attend the mock exam of that unit, and in the end, you will have a final mock exam. This will give you an idea that how the questions will be and how fastly you have to think and answer the question, because practice makes you perfect. And that's not it. Once you are ready for your exam, your personal evaluation will also be done through a live exam, which will give you a real experience of the exam. How will you get a real-time experience of being a yoga teacher? Is that you will get to attend our online classes, and you will also have opportunity to start teaching with us. This is all about, I wanted to share with you that how should you start your yoga certification journey. And for the yoga protocol instructor course, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me in the comments or on the WhatsApp, or you can explore the course on our website. So thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you on the course. Stay healthy and stay happy.